bring to you good tidings from Defense Headquarters, Armed Forces of Nigeria. I feel highly delighted and privileged and honored to be here this morning. You can see my team with the members I've come with. The Commander-in-Chief directed that I visit the South-South, especially the two states that will be taking part in the off-season elections, and also visit other states within the general areas to reassure them of the commitment of the members of the armed forces in bringing and restoring peace and tranquility within the region. Before now, I know a few days there have been issues that have been going on, but we want to just pray for peace and tranquility. The elections will be taking place on the 11th of November 2023, and I visited starting from Imo State, and I drove down to Bayelsa, and I'm here today. First and foremost, to see my troops, be able to commend them for the efforts they're doing, to also remind them that they have a task, a mandate from the president to ensuring that they maintain peace within their AORs, areas of responsibilities, and also to ensure that this election is credible, free, and fair. It is from the president that his desire that henceforth elections should be conducted differently, without rancor, without violence, without intimidation. And he has assured us he does not have any candidate at mind, that we should provide that enabling environment so that voters can come out and freely vote who they want. I want to assure you that's exactly what I've directed my commanders to ensure that happens on 11th of November 2023. I've also warned them that anybody from within the armed forces or other security agencies who compromises or allows himself to be used will have himself to blame. We have standing court martials on ground that will be ready to prosecute anybody who compromises his role during the elections. And besides the elections, we know the challenges we're having in the South-South. This is the second time, Your Excellency, I visited you. The first time was when we came with the NSA, when you took an overflight with the general area. Secondly, the issue of the economy. We know that the economy is bleeding because of issues of vandalization, illegal refinery, crude oil theft, robbery, sea piracy, and all sorts. That also is important. That's why I've just visited River State. I've seen the troops and I've equally addressed them on the importance to remain professional. We know there have been accusations and counter-accusations on the conduct of some personnel. I strongly warned everyone that we are duty-bound to protect the assets of Nigeria to the benefit of Nigeria. And anybody who allows himself to be a tool to be used to sabotage these efforts will be dealt with without mincing words. I want to assure you of the commitment of the members of the armed forces. We are looking inwards to ensure that we also identify the bad eggs, if any. We will show them the way out, and we have done that severally. The military will not hide any of its personnel found wanting. We'll continue to put in our best to ensuring that the crude oil production improves to such an extent that the economy will be uplifted. We know the strategic importance of River State and the importance and the contribution River State is doing to Nigerian economy. I want to appreciate you for all the efforts you are putting in. And we assure you of our commitment to partner with you, to collaborate with you in ensuring that you have a hitch-free tour of duty as the governor of River State. Once again, Your Excellency, will bring you good tidings. We wish you the very best. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.